Hey everyone, welcome to a video. It's pretty early in the morning right now, but we are in the jam day spirit right now. And do you see me? Finally got those items because before it wouldn't let you click them. So yeah, it wouldn't let you click them for it. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, but I don't feel like turning it off right now. Savage. Okay. So I'm thinking about getting some kind of a new animal maybe to make me look cool. Oh, she looks cool. Okay. We're gonna go buy some stuff from some shops. Okay, let's see here. I don't know. Guys, I'm on a quest for new glasses if you don't know. So you see my account name right there, Mr. Beast Games. Come on down and send me some new glasses. Please. Like, please. Start piling up in my den and I'll come over and you guys can, and I'll be giving a spike for it. Like my bronze spike, I think. I don't know, whichever one I want. Luna Moon Proud. Nice. Nice, nice. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. I really like that. I'm gonna trade her a spike. You guys, I'm big about my stuff. That's cute, girl. That's cute. Ursula, I don't give you more spikes. I need that thing. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Like, oh my Jesus. Well, let's see here. I'm gonna be giving away all my spikes, so I don't think I'll give you guys spikes for the nerd glasses anymore. I mean, if she accepts, I hope she accepts, because you're on video. Like, you're on video. Like, it'd be nice for my video, please. By the way, guys, my bubble chat glitch is still going on, and it's really annoying. And yeah, I did just wake up. Bruh, are you kidding? I just really want it. Please. Guess I'm not getting it today. Also, if you guys would like to give me that winter sweater, I really want it. I really, really want it, guys. This lady's mean. Luna Primera. You're mean. Girl, I just want it. Why? It's not even. Girl, what do you want? Like, I'll give her my bed a pet. Like, there. Take Dust Sky. You know what? You know what? You can take Fire Buddy too. You can have. You can have that. You can have spikes. Give her some spikes. Let's see. Give her some spikes here. They're a longbow. Not longbow. Come on, you're gonna make me give away all my rares. Whatever. I'll give them all. Let's see. Really, my rim? Fine. There. Now, if I could, she would accept this. Done. Yup. Come on, girl. Like, I gave you like 17 items.
No, it's fine. It's probably no good.
Are you kidding? She just declined that.
Oh, heck. Are you real? Oh, no. Cinnamon and everything I haven't had all week. Blueberry, almonds that I have to say. Hi, sweetheart.
I don't understand this.
Then get off of it, right? If it's not working,
I don't understand why I gave her so much. She isn't doing it.
then don't do anything. Don't
Oh my gosh, she's trading me the nerd glasses. Maybe.
right.
Oh my god.
Okay, my calm down.
I got this on camera, guys. Oh my gosh, I finally got them.
Well, there you go, sweetheart.
Oh my god.
Is that a good?
Oh look. Look at it. I just gave away my spike, but oh my gosh.
Are you happy
I got
about it?
them.
Well, there you go. I see them.
Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna put a new pet on to match. So yeah, let's put on a new pet to match with it.
Good for you.
I guess this thing would match. Okay, there we go. Fire buddy would match. Perfect. Okay, okay, this is nice. This is really nice. Okay. Well, I just traded her my spike. I'm a little sad about it, but I still have a couple spikes, you know? I have two. I have three. Three spikes. What happened to my red spike? What happened to my red rare spike that I had? Oh no, never mind, that got scammed a long time ago. Yeah. Well guys, I just got those nerd glasses that I've been waiting for. I've been dreaming of. I've been dreaming of them for ages and ages and ages and ages. I want to give this lady a shout out. So yeah, guys, go. Oh, here she is. Here she is. I think this is the lady who traded me it. Here she is, guys. So yeah, make sure that you go give her stuff if that's the right person. Like, just be super nice to her. Like, that was very kind of her. I'm very happy. Very happy. The video has only been 8 minutes long, so I have more stuff to do. So we're gonna go to Major Von Wolfie's den because she's my friend. Why is it locked? Girl, she got offline. Okay. 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 Well, I think that. Wait, do you see that glitch right there? Someone's invisible. Do you see that? Join the front desert? No one's there. Someone's invisible. Or maybe they're hiding in the bushes. IDK. Wait, what? Aw. Aw. I want to be a member so bad. It's not gonna happen. Gonna happen. Now, let's see here. Flying pastorilla. Now, I'm gonna look this up really quickly. There, how rare are nerd glasses in Animal Jam? Should I have traded those? Let's see here. We're on the Wiki fandom area. Nerd glasses are a non-member land clothing item. It was released on August 26, 2013 for Rare Item Monday. A similar version, but different from the original silver tape version, was released in the Forgotten Desert. The nerd glasses has a variation which is slightly different in color. The rim version cannot be won through many adventures. Notice. Notice. Wait, okay, let's see. Notice jammers sometimes use the gold adventure glasses to scam people out of their gray rim. Double check to make sure you're trading for the right one. So I got the adventure nerd glasses. Wait a sec, which ones do I have then? Which ones do I have? Do I have the gold one or the rim? I have the gold. That's fine, I guess. I mean, I did work very hard for it. I think I should put my spike on. It makes me look more cool. I'm trying to look cool. That's what I'm trying to do here, guys, if you don't know already. So there we go. So I'm going to go to some kind of party. Let's see. Major Von Wolfie, no. Suggestions, no. I think I want some kind of new jammer. You're here. Hey, new jammer. Hey, dude, do you happen to have any gingerbread wings? Huh? Huh? Do you? Are you joking? Are you joking? Oh, and gosh. Well, let's see if this new jammer will trade me one. New jammer, what? Bruh, how would you know? Come on, I want you to trade me some. I just bought a couple. I'm gonna give her a sad face, or him. I'm trying, you guys. This guy probably, oh boy, probably scammed to get them. So I'm gonna try to get them from them and figure out whose it is. Because new jammers like can't have spikes. Like I don't know. Ivanka? Does that say Ivanka? I don't know. I have no idea. Ivanka. I think it says Ivanka. 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 I don't know. I'm gonna trade her for some stuff because I have nothing else to do tonight. Flower carpet, that looks rare. Well, maybe she would like another designer skirt. Match her outfit better. Maybe not. Okay, anyways.